Alright, no long talking, yo. I know I'm in a day for a while. Long time I put up a video about 13 days now, but yo, kinda heartbreaking for no so we do this video and it make them a copyright it every minute. But we can't say nothing still, we just have to do what we have to do and do the do of the do. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tommy Lee, new music. Come on. Name rock it up.
Buy something wrong, I'm gonna kill him.
Tommy Lee and Cyash. Cyash. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Off my grades and my frozen. Start the star just some clothing. Start the beast and drive out. Hope me need a timeout. Fishy boy when I link with them, a bag of lava and his two me rattle the chain, me rock turn in the water. Shut a lift and a fling it down like a volleyball. Like rockstar me could turn up in and fuck up part of this.
Alright. Intro bad, come again.
Off my grades and my frozen. Start the star just some clothing. Start the beast and drive out. Hope me need a timeout. Fishy boy when I link with them, a bag of lava and his two me rattle the chain, me rock turn in the water. Shut a lift and a fling it down like a volleyball. Like rockstar me could turn up in and fuck up part of this. See now in a tour regular big piece, me I should be top flu. Them show me have to keep a lick at top, two on a shot. Big figures now me love she can't breathe, but me top this. Me buy gun this and this Jackie shop. Pick a boom, you get shot and you no get the picture. Boy head by toe, my phone up a top. I tell all you do something to me now. Big dirty PC at your first.
Is it me or this is like a part 2 of Control?
On the corner, sucker. Drive on my ex and leave a password. Body in the front, she a queen side. Her to the glass, to the sunroom, make it go to blur. Light up around, we
Come again.
me buy gun this and this Jackie shop. Pick a boom, you get shot and you no get the picture. Boy head by toe, my phone up a top. I tell all you do something to me now. Big dirty PC, I give her on the corner, sucker. Drive on my ex and leave a password. Body in the front, she a queen side. Her to the glass, to the sunroom, make it go to blur. Light up around, we a space.
Man said through the sunroof, he might make it splurt. Yo, don't play Tommy Lee, you know. Man, I tell us a drive by, I come from every angle.
Touch third, touching at the boo, watch you got let my twerk. She and her friend, sleepers over. Papa one pill and them left her. Turn the speakers up loud and party till the sun out. And at the place.
Yo, when it became a part of Jamaican culture, Jamaican dancehall culture, if you sing about popping pills, that's like an American thing, yo.
That's all rock start to eat is their round. Puff my grades and my float and start to start some clothes and start the beast and drive on till you fuck me need a time out. Like a badness, a woman, a Bellevue, we know. Anyway, the fire go strike or go and boom it up. Cheap up this like I can raise your pants, pissing up. Be a Sparta, porter, so whipping up. Be a bad bitch at the show, give man, dick a suck. Tough God, sick.
Yo, man, I lie, you know. That song you're tough, you know. It's a different type of, it's a different set of dancehall. It's a gothic type of dancehall, this for Tommy Lee. Creator.
The man that want pay so speed down, don't I'm be and no still stuff. Big mama make it beat up in a and me rap on the shut up, scream on the shut up. Fuck around with the back road pussy shot. Pressing the ears and make it ring select. Them a chat at them a cat and a rate up a top.
Different flows. Different flow. That is what I like.
Chop a finger down a gun a bit of your propaganda. Chop off your hand and send a little note with the back. Right by some rings and roses. Buy me with the gold chain, that's a splash of piano. Bag of money, rock it up and that shit on her. You never come a step with the bag of drama. She said man cocky a joke, she want to smoke it off of me. Fishy boy when I link with them, a bag of lava and his two me rattle the chain, me rock turn in the water. Shut a lift and a fling it down like a volleyball. Like rockstar me put on up in.
Youth are tough too, you know. Youth are tough. I'm like how him play with the rhythm. I love it. You know, Tommy Lee bad cat a Tommy Lee genre music this. So Tommy Lee go overpower anybody with come on this rhythm. You see me? But you tough too.
Fuck up part of this. And if you don't say you don't front, you run out of clip. And if I want to road, I'll be one get all of it, all of it, all of it, all of it. Having to start the gears, so pussy know how all of it, all of it, all of it, all of it. Just turn the speakers on loud and party till the sun out. And like the place we are sound. Rock start to each is their own. Puff me grades and my flow. Darling start to start on some clowns. And start the beast and drive on. Yo, fuck me need a time out.
Alright, I could get down to it right now. Tommy Lee, 10 out of 10. The youth, we give him a 10 out of 10 too. Because, like I said, that kind of hard to beat Tommy Lee and Tommy Lee music. Like, this is Tommy Lee realm of music. You see me? The got it dancehall thing. Anyway. It kind of hard for not give it a 10. Because the youth kind of surprised me. You see me? When you just hear somebody feel first, you kind of, start critiquing him differently. And you start do, the whole judging thing. And we don't judge because God alone judge. But the youth tough. You see me? Lyrical content, it's not like, oh wow. You see me? But the song is just a song where you can just, you see me? Burn up, spliff, beat a juice up on the corner. You just, you see me? A bill. You understand? I feel like I don't know for them man, they really understand. Tommy Lee make music for evil meds. So if you're not one of the evil meds, maybe you can listen to Tommy Lee, you see me? But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, comment down below, let me know anything. 10 out of 10. Everything tough to me.